Hi everyone. Today we celebrate a proud milestone. Synacor turns 10. Reaching 10 years in business is not something we take for granted. It is the result of strong relationships, shared trust, and the support of many people who have been part of this journey. To our customers, thank you very much for choosing us, entrusting us, and allowing us to grow alongside you. To our suppliers and partners, thank you for your reliability, the collaboration, and the role that you've played in helping us deliver consistently and effectively. To our stakeholders, thank you for your confidence, your guidance, and the belief in what Synacor is building. Then last but definitely not least, to my team, thank you very much for the commitment and the effort to continue to drive this business forward every day. Over the past decade, we've built Synacor on values that remain central to who we are: entrepreneurial, innovative, quality-driven, reliable, working with integrity, and of course, resilience. We do not stand still because our business has changed. We do not simply want to respond to it. We want to help shape it. As we look to the future, we do so with gratitude, with ambition, and excitement for what lies ahead. Thank you for being a part of this journey, and happy 10th birthday, Synacor.